So today we're gonna make peanut brittle.
Peanut brittle.
And we love peanut brittle, but you know there's two different kinds of peanut brittle. There's the peanut brittle that's hard and you're afraid that you're gonna break your tooth on. That would be not good. Or like the light and airy peanut brittle. And that's what we're gonna try to do today. So Titus, let's go ahead and get our stuff ready. Go ahead and put that half a cup of water in the heavy bottom saucepan. We have our pan on medium heat. And basically we start out just making a caramel, just like we've made before. And we're gonna do 2 cups of sugar. So Titus, hold the cup over here, bud. And I'm gonna pour it in, you know our measuring.
Yes, very exact.
Yeah, we're the best.
So go ahead. 1 cup. And
That's about it.
yep, that's about good. That's about all the sugar in there. And Titus, you can go ahead and start stirring.
With
you
this?
Yes, you want to make sure that the all of the sugar is off of the bottom of the pan. And we also need to add 1 cup of corn syrup.
This is hard.
It's okay.
Oh, it's easier now.
Yeah.
Well, it's definitely got the syrup part.
Sounds a little tooty, doesn't it? Oops.
Sounds like your brother. Nice and tooty. Keep it on the eye there, Titus. Just string. There you go.
There you go.
Good job.
Am I doing good?
Yeah, that's perfect. Because the only thing you do at first is the sugar, corn syrup, and hot water. And then you let that heat up to 250 degrees. So this is going to be a while. Just like when we make caramel. And then afterwards, we add the peanuts and the butter and the vanilla. And then we bring it up to like 310 degrees. Because because you have to go higher than we did with the soft caramels because the peanut brittle is hard, so you have to go to the hard crack stage of sugar.
Even though my hand.
Okay, you don't have to stir the whole time. Okay? You can go take a break. All right, so the sugar came up real quick. Took forever, and then it came up real quick. So we're gonna add the 2 cups of peanuts.
I wonder how you let those out.
And then
How do you use all that?
the butter.
So what are we doing? So where are you playing?
So this is for the peanut brittle. It's like a candy that has peanuts in it. And then now we're gonna let this go up to 310 degrees. And then we'll add the baking soda, which causes the reaction, which gives all sorts of bubbles in it so it's nice and light and airy and not hard as glass. The next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna add the vanilla and the baking soda, and then you get to see the reaction. Let's check the temp one more time.
We gotta
be really careful.
Okay.
312. All right, let's do this quickly. Let me have that.
I can't watch. Ow.
Here you go.
Hey, what was that for?
You're gonna see a big reaction, hopefully.
If we're doing it right, but we
I can smell it burning.
It's burning. No, it's not. It's burned. No.
Gosh. It's looking good.
Yeah.
When do you got to get ready to pour it out?
Now.
All right.
All right.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
Yeah. It's so good. There ain't any problems.
All right. Let's.
Beautiful.
Oh, I think I just.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, here's a good piece right here.
Baby, don't drop it on the floor.
Oh, you're filming.
I figured we'd get in here before the kids found out about it. Got to try some good pieces. They're good.
Let me get a good
Sounds good and crackly, but it's not rough on your teeth.
nutty piece. That's really good. It's nice and airy.
It is
You can
good.
really taste the peanuts in it. You can hear the crack when you break it.
Oh yeah.
You can see those air bubbles.
Oh yeah.
Especially on that side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Delicious. None for the kids.
All right. You ready to taste this?
Yep.
Let's take a big crack.
For E.
One for you. And one for you.
Yeah. That green.
What do you think, Ezra?
Really good. Crunchy, big, sort of tastes like peanut butter. Really good. Well, sort of.
Yeah, it does taste like peanut butter a little bit, huh? I like to be able to see all the peanuts in there.
Oh yeah, that worked out pretty good. That got right up on it.
Okay. That's a wrap for that one.